Sergio Brinya is a professor and associate department head at the University of Massachusetts at Amherst. A PCI member since 2003, his many contributions include active involvement in the Blue Ribbon Review Committee for the 8th edition Industry Handbook, chairing the Student Education Committee, and acting as both supervisor and judge for the Big Beam competition. Sergio's current committee work includes the Design Standard Committee, the PCI Academy Advisory Board, and the 9th edition Industry Handbook Committee. He has taught and developed extensive materials for PCI courses and is also involved in the technical work of PCI Northeast. Sergio's outstanding educational achievements were recognized with the PCI Young Educator Award in 2011 and the Distinguished Educator Award in 2019. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Sergio Brinya as a PCI Fellow. Todd Culp is the General Manager and Vice President of Core Slab Structures Incorporated in Omaha, Nebraska. Todd has long been an important contributor to PCI and the precast concrete industry on both the regional and national levels. A founding member and past chair of PCI Midwest, he serves on the chapter's board of directors and as a regional representative to the PCI board. He is also the vice chair of the Total Precast Systems Committee and a consulting member of the Architectural Certification Subcommittee. Todd is widely praised by colleagues and peers for his leadership, the high quality of his research and technical contributions, and his enduring commitment to the advancement of precast concrete. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Todd Culp as a PCI Fellow. Marianne Griggas-Smith is the Director of Corporate Engineering at Tyndall Corporation in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Marianne has worked in the precast concrete industry for more than 2 decades and is actively involved in the work of PCI. Currently, she serves on the Technical Activities Council and the 9th Industry Handbook Committee. As a member of the Fire Committee, she was instrumental in developing the first PCI Fire Standard. She also served on the 8th edition Design Handbook Blue Ribbon Review Committee, as well as on multiple advisory committees. Marianne is esteemed by her colleagues and peers for her technical expertise as well as her integrity, communication skills, and mentorship of young engineers. For her many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Marianne Griggas-Smith as a PCI Fellow. David Larson is the president of Unity Design Incorporated in Buffalo Grove, Illinois, which he founded with a partner in 2014. David was a part of the inaugural class of the Leadership PCI program in 2004. Since then, he has been a highly contributing member of several PCI committees, including the Professional Member Committee, which he previously chaired, the Joint and Connection Design Committee, several editions of the Industry Handbook Committee, and 4 years on the PCI board as a professional member director. Colleagues and peers speak highly of David's technical skills and knowledge, his insights and tenacity, and the high caliber of his committee work. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor David Larson as a PCI Fellow. Alexander Mihaylov is a principal with Vector Structures, LLC in Auburn, Washington. Alex joined PCI in 2003 and was part of the inaugural Leadership PCI class in 2004. Since then, he's been active on numerous committees, including seismic, building codes, and blast resistance and structural integrity. He has chaired the Total Precast Systems and Professional Member Committees and served on the board of directors for 2 terms. Alex has made significant contributions to the Industry Handbook as part of the 7th edition Blue Ribbon Review Team and as a voting member of the 8th and 9th edition committees. His peers and colleagues praise his technical expertise, his exceptional committee work, and his dedication to advancing our industry. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Alex Mihaylov as a PCI Fellow. Chris Mosley is president and CEO of CEG Group in Albuquerque, New Mexico, which is the parent company of the Consulting Engineers Group. Since participating in the inaugural Leadership PCI class in 2004, Chris's insights and knowledge have benefited many PCI committees, including the Building Code Committee, the 8th Edition Industry Handbook Committee, and the 7th Edition Blue Ribbon Review Committee. Currently, he serves on the Technical Activities Council, is a professional member director on PCI's board, and a consulting member of the Student Education Committee. Chris is well known among his peers and colleagues as a true expert and generous mentor who gives willingly of his time and expertise. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Chris Mosley as a PCI Fellow. Cheryl Richkoff is a project engineer with TRC Worldwide Engineering Incorporated in Allentown, Pennsylvania. A graduate of the 2009 Leadership PCI class, Cheryl is a longtime, highly contributing member of PCI. She has served on a number of PCI committees, including Building Codes, Parking Structures, and the Professional Member Committee, of which she is currently Vice Chair. As a member and now Chair of the Fire Committee, she played a crucial part in developing our first standard, PCI 124. She has also served as a professional member director on the PCI board. Cheryl is highly valued by her peers and colleagues for the knowledge, dedication, and diligence she brings to all aspects of her career and committee work. For her many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Cheryl Richkoff as a PCI Fellow.